Hi everyone, 'tis the season. It's Christmas time. Oh my god, yay. Now this is a time of year that I get to go into my sinking funds binder and head it over to my Christmas envelope and see how much money I have saved up to do my little Christmas decoration shopping and whatever it is that I want to do for Christmas. Now, before we do that, let's head on into our positive quote for today. And for some reason, I've been feeling like I want to pick from the middle instead of the front. I don't know, I'm just going with my gut. Here we go. Positive quote for today. Share your kindness with the world. Isn't this cute? Oh my god, you know they say you give and you get in return. It's always good to share knowledge, share something, anything that it is that you can share. It's always good to do that. You know, if you can help out someone in any type of way, it's good to share. So today I want to head on over into my sinking funds binder. I'm going to be removing the money out that I have in birthdays because my daughter's birthday is coming up and we need some stuff, and I'm going to be unstuffing the money I have in Christmas. I'm so excited because I get to go Christmas shopping and I get to go put my tree up and decorate, and I get to do all those type of stuff. Now Christmas is not really that big in my household, I have to say. My boyfriend and I, we do have two different religious beliefs, which it can be hard at times, but you know, eventually we're going to have to settle on one. But anyways, my boyfriend is Seventh-day Adventist, so he doesn't celebrate, like his family, they don't really celebrate Christmas and stuff like that. So it's not really like a big thing for his side of the family. My side of the family, we do celebrate Christmas, we do our trees, we buy gifts, etc. But for my boyfriend, not really. So in our apartment, because you know I'm living with my boyfriend and my daughter, so it's just me, my boyfriend, and my daughter together in our apartment. So we normally just put up our little Christmas tree. He doesn't mind. I can still put up my tree and decorate and stuff like that. So I have a medium-sized tree. I put up my tree on Christmas time. I buy something to make for Christmas dinner, and I also still do buy gifts, but it's not as much as, you know, probably your family is. I know a lot of people, they saving up a whole bunch of money for Christmas, 500, 1,000, 800, 2,000. But for my little family, I don't need all that money for Christmas, to be honest. Small gifts, because you know I'm on a budget. It's small gifts and it's all love. That's how we do Christmas. I am going to go into my Christmas envelope, and whatever I have saved in there is going to, I do want to do new decorations, like a new color for my tree. So it's gonna buy Christmas decor for my tree. I want to put a wreath on my door, and I also want to grab little gifts for all my loved ones. I will watch my family and I'll see what they've been talking about they want, and you know, the little things, and I'll try to go get them for them. So we're gonna do a little Christmas thingy. I'm all about motivation, self-care, and all that thing. So I always put like little baggies together for my girlfriends and also for my stepmom and my little sister. That's what my Christmas little money that I have in there is going to do. And trust me, I'm on a budget and I know how to make my money work. So my money do work for me, okay? We're also going to be taking out birthdays so we can pay for my daughter little finishes that's left over for her birthday. So let's get into sinking funds. Oh my god, yeah! I'm so excited. Oh my god, I sound like a little puppy. Anyways, Christmas. How much money do we have put up for Christmas? Because now is the time. Now is the time. We need to go get our decor. We need to go get our stuff. Now is the time. So this is all the money I've been putting up for Christmas, and I've been putting up little $5, $10 for Christmas, and this is what we have. So let's see how much money it is. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $215. So for Christmas, we have put up $215 to do our little knick-knack Christmas shopping that we're going to need. Not bad. This actually could do what I need it to do. I'm not buying a tree. I already have my tree. I don't need a tree. I don't need lights. My tree is pre-lit. I just need a wreath for my door, new Christmas ornaments, and gifts. And this little $215 is about to do just that. One thing about me, I do live within my means. That's one thing about me. I don't see the sense of you budgeting and cash stuffing if you're not living within your means. I know how my family work. I know what we do around what time. So I definitely just prepare for that. We live in our means around here, and it's very good to live within your means. So we saved $215 for Christmas, y'all. And I'm doing my unstuffing from now because I like to do my Christmas gift shopping and all of that from early because Black Friday sale is active. Okay? So I'm about to go grab what I could grab. I'll come on here and I'll show y'all what I got for who, and y'all will see what my little $215 can do for me. Let's put our $215 up for when we're going to do our little Christmas shopping. And now let's turn the page and head on over to birthdays, which is my daughter's birthday, and see how much money I have for my daughter's birthday. Now we're keeping her birthday nice and simple, nothing too much. Last year when it was her first birthday, we did go a little bit overboard. Well, not overboard, but we did go a little bit more than we're going this year. You know, it was her first birthday. But this year we're doing something really simple. I'm planning to do like rainbow or unicorn, like macaroon shades, the pastels, balloons, decorations, and stuff like that. We're going to be doing a bounce house because you know she could bounce about now. And I'm trying to get a little mini trampoline for her. Yeah, we're gonna just order pizza and do drinks. So that's basically it for her birthday. The location isn't somewhere we have to pay for. We do have a location that we use for majority of our events that is free of charge, so we don't necessarily have to pay for a location. We just need to pay for the pizza, the juice, the bounce house, and the decoration and her outfit. And y'all, it's gonna be so cute. I'm gonna do a little vlog so y'all could be a part of it. She is going to be a costume party, so it's all costumes, y'all. It's all costumes. I'm super duper excited. I picked out a costume for her on Amazon, and today I want to take this money out because I'm going to head to the bank and I'm going to deposit the cash so I can place the Amazon order for her so it could be ready for her on her birthday. Her registry is in the description below, and I also linked my Cash App. If you guys want to send my daughter any little thing for her birthday, please feel free to do so. Of course, you are not obligated to do it, but if you want, I mean, somebody referred it to me, so I just did it. Anyways, so let's see how much money we have put up for my daughter's birthday. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 71. So we have $171 to go on Amazon and get her balloons, her tablecloths. I already have plates and forks and all of that. All I need is balloons, tablecloths, ice cream cups, and her outfit. That's all that I need. So of course this $171 will definitely do the job, and I'm going to see if I could get her a gift because I know I'm going to have money left over from this. Her dad is paying for the bounce house, and he's also getting her cake. So I'm just getting decorations, her outfits, and I'll see if I could buy her a gift. And that's it for her birthday. So I'm really excited, y'all. Oh my God, look what I've done. I don't know how people do not like cash stuffing. Like, it makes total sense. See, now it's the holiday time, the thing has come up, you just take the money out and go get the job done. Like, you don't have to be taking money out of your paycheck that you get now or any recent money that you have now. You don't have to be heading in there to take money out to go deal with nothing. You have already been putting money down for that particular event. I just don't understand how people hate on cash stuffing. Like, a lot of times I'm posting my shorts and people be negatively commenting. I don't answer them. I don't go back and forth with it. I literally just report them to YouTube as harassment or bullying. That's what y'all should do. Like, we don't go back and forth with negative people. We just get them off. Get them off. Get them off. Get them off. So anyways, in total for Christmas and my daughter's birthday, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 to do our Christmas shopping and to go ahead and get my daughter birthday stuff. Yeah. Ooh la la, I'm excited. Ooh la la. Christmas is the most wonderful time of the year. They ain't lie about that. They ain't lie about that. So anyways, we're getting ready to head to the bank. We're gonna deposit my daughter's money and see if we could order her birthday stuff, and we're gonna do some Christmas shopping. So I will see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all so much for watching.